So recently I went to Munnar and stayed at a resort. The first evening we heard an alarm go off. The first thought was if there is a landslide, as it's mountains, and it kept raining the whole month. I posted about this on Instagram and people were curious. So finally on the day of my departure, I brought it up with my resort manager and he told me it's coming from Palivasal powerhouse, which is actually the first power project in Kerala. The siren that we hear is for shift change. What? The practice comes from the colonial times where these were used as an alert system for bombs dropping from the sky, etc. But after independence we moved on from its usage, except for a few places like factories, powerhouse, mills, where it's still used to communicate the shift change event to the workers. Interesting, huh?